Push-ups look simple, but most people get them wrong. And those mistakes can actually stop your progress or even cause injury. In today's video, we'll go through the 5 most common push-up mistakes, how to fix them, and how to do the perfect push-up. Stick around till the end, because I'll also show you a bonus challenge to test your push-up skills. Mistake number 1, placing your hands too far forward. This shifts the pressure onto your shoulders, which makes the push-up harder and unsafe. Here's the fix. Place your hands directly under your shoulders, spread your fingers, and grip the floor for stability. When you lower down, your elbows should point back at a 45-degree angle, not straight out. Mistake number 2, letting your hips drop. This is one of the most common issues I see. When your hips sag, you're basically turning the push-up into a back stretch, and that strains your lower back. Here's the fix. Engage your core like you're doing a plank. Imagine drawing your belly button up toward your spine. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Mistake number 3, flaring the elbows out to the sides. This puts a lot of stress on your shoulders and makes your push-up weaker. Here's the fix. Keep your elbows tucked at about a 45-degree angle. Think about pushing your body away from the floor, not just moving your arms. Mistake number 4, doing half reps. If your chest doesn't come close to the ground, you're only training part of the movement. Half reps, half results. Here's the fix. Go all the way down until your chest is just above the floor. Then push all the way back up until your arms are fully extended. Quality over quantity. And mistake number 5, neck strain. Many people either look straight down and drop their head, or they crane their neck up. Both can lead to discomfort and poor posture. The fix, keep your neck neutral. Look slightly ahead of your hands. Your head should follow the line of your spine. Now that you know the mistakes and how to fix them, here's your challenge. Do 10 perfect push-ups. Keep your hands under shoulders, core tight, elbows tucked, full range of motion, and neutral neck. Record yourself and compare. Are you nailing the form? Fixing these 5 mistakes will completely transform your push-ups. Remember, form is always more important than the number of reps. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fitness tips, and share it with a friend who needs to fix their push-ups. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next workout.